How to make out with a guy. There are many ways to express how you feel about someone by kissing. Making out with a guy can be rewarding and romantic. Prepare your lips, build anticipation, and embrace spontaneity when you make out with a guy. Part 1. Preparing for a makeout session. 1. Apply lip balm every night. If you have a crush on a guy, it's better to be prepared. Use natural, moisturizing lip balm at night and every morning. Aim to have moisturized lips all the time, instead of putting on lip balm just before you kiss. It can create a strange taste and sticky texture on your lips. If your lips are regularly chapped, use a sugar and olive oil lip scrub 3 times per week. Rinse and apply petroleum jelly once you have exfoliated. 2. Brush your teeth before you go out. If you are just beginning a relationship, increase the number of times you brush to 3 per day, instead of 2. If you have a spontaneous kiss, you will want to feel confident in your breath. Kissing evolved as a way to gauge your partner's health. Make sure you are sending the right biological signals. 3. Talk and get to know him. Even if you just met the person you want to kiss a few hours ago, flirty will make your makeout session even better. Say encouraging things if you want him to think of you as a potential love interest. Try "It sounds like we have a lot in common" or "We have similar tastes." Say "Let's go somewhere less noisy, more private," if you want to get him alone. 4. Drink or eat something that draws attention to your lips. Sip on a drink through a straw, so you have to pucker your lips slightly. Eat something sweet, like a strawberry or piece of chocolate, and let it linger on your mouth. 5. Whisper in his ear. Touching his arm and gently brushing your lips on his ear while you whisper can turn him on. Remember that kissing is more fun when you build anticipation. Part 2. Starting the kiss. 1. Kiss him on the cheek. If you at him and he's not making a move, encourage him by moving your body closer and pressing your lips to his cheek for a few seconds. Try a phrase like "You're sweet" to encourage him further. 2. Look him in the eyes. Keep your body a few inches away and tilt your head. Use a triangle look, gazing at one eye, then the other, and then his lips. 3. Make a move. Once tension is built, lean in and press your closed lips against his. Part your lips only slightly before you kiss him, and close them over part of his bottom lip, to create some pressure. 4. Continue with several closed-mouth kisses, held for 2 to 5 seconds. Touch his chest or his back to bring him closer. 5. Tease him by opening your mouth very slightly, withholding any tongue for the first 20 to 30 seconds. Part 3. Moving to French kissing. 1. Move slowly. Open your mouth just a little more with each kiss. You just want a hint of moisture, not a slobber. 2. Start with a very tiny taste. You can even touch your tongue to his lip instead of his tongue once. 3. Increase how far your mouth is open. Touch tongues lightly. If your guy wants to get too wet with the kiss too soon, pull away slightly while leaving your mouth open. Give him a look in the eye while you pause. This tells him you want to take it slow. 4. Make the kiss more intense, opening your mouth and using more tongue for the next few minutes. 5. Try using a circular motion with your tongue, first small, then larger. Avoid turning it around like a blender. Keep your kiss as spontaneous as possible. Part 4. Advancing the make-out session. 1. Consider pulling back during the kiss and gently biting his lower lip. Gauge whether he likes this by how he reacts. If so, you can incorporate gentle nipping throughout the kissing session. 2. Move your hands over his body while you kiss. If you want to keep the session contained to just kissing, you should move your hands over his chest, back, waist, neck, and hair. Some men don't like it when women grab their hair, and others love it. Pay attention so that you can improve the kiss. 3. Change positions. If he has you pinned against a wall or bed, pin him in turn. You can show some playful dominance with this gesture. If you are standing, try sitting or laying down. 4. Kiss his neck, ears, and jawline. If you have been kissing for 5 minutes, pull away and pay attention to these sensitive areas before starting another kiss. 5. Pull away and look him in the eyes. Take a moment to decide if this will be only a make-out session or something more. Increase the anticipation by leaving him wanting more. Things: lip balm, lip scrub, toothbrush, toothpaste.